CEO of Hush app. I'm gonna need y'all to call me ASAP with an explanation for this, because this is like, how, yo. Ooh, he's a mask. Zaddy Zach or whatever. Go ahead and call me Zaddy Zach. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's WORLDOFZACH here, and I'm back for another video. And okay, I'm super hyped and so excited about today's video, because you guys, like, I'll give you a minute, y'all. I know y'all see this box, right? It say Hush on there in case you can't see it. In case you can't see it, it say Hush on there. They sent me this, and I'm super happy about it. We getting boxes now, y'all. Look, I'm sorry I had to yell. Let me contain myself. Hope it ain't backwards, but I'm gonna go ahead and get real into it. Okay, hold on. Let me be real professional, whatever, real quick. One, I know my face might not match my. I got like a lot of different skin tones and like that. Unless you want to like find my foundation shade for me, then don't come for me, okay? Don't do it. But what you should do is make sure you subscribe to my channel and go ahead and join the family, the WORLDOFZACH family. We are growing, we're progressing, we're doing great things, like working with the Hush app and everything like that, Hush Beauty, etc., which I'm super excited about. So give this video a big thumbs up. I need you guys' support and everything like that, because the more thumbs up we get, the more subscribers we get, the more we grow, and the WORLDOFZACH family, it just gets more exposure and everything like that. And like we get like this dark skin, brown skin, black boy and beauty on the rise, which is just everything, you know, all about beauty and creativity, and spreading that out there throughout the world, throughout the whole YouTube and Instagram family or whatever. And if you don't already, make sure you go ahead and follow me on Instagram at WORLDOFZACH. It's probably somewhere over here or over here. But my Instagram is super lit, cute selfies or whatever, you know what I'm saying? Like, just cute makeup look, eyeshadow, lips, lashes, everything like that, even though I got nothing wrong right now, but you know what I'm saying. So just go ahead and make sure you do that, you guys. I'm rambling because I'm super nervous about this video, but I'm gonna go ahead and jump into it. So you guys, I don't want to make this video too long at all, because I don't want you to be here all day, because I know y'all got stuff to do, like I got stuff to do too. Okay, but I want to go ahead and talk about the way that the packaging comes in, the box that it comes in, Hush app and everything like that. Hush app has all these amazing products. The app is super accessible. You can go on there. I would do like the whole screen sharing thing, but I'm really gonna do that, so I'm just gonna do it. I'm gonna just tell you about it. You can go download the app. It's real cute or whatever. Yeah, so just go ahead and download the app and check it out. It's free app for one. It's super pink and bright and colorful. It's super girly and everything like that, and super bright and it's just cute or whatever. Go ahead and download the app for that reason alone, right there, because it's free. Who don't like free stuff? And also they have like listings on there like $2 and under. Most of the eyeshadow palettes or whatever like $10, which is a steal. Well, we're gonna find out if it's a steal or not. We're gonna find out if it's really worth it or whatever. But everything on there is about $10 or under. You can buy bundle packs of things, lipsticks, skincare, stuff like that, their own masks, other little like brands. Like I saw NYX on there at one point or something like that. Like just all these different dope products, metallic lipsticks, lip glosses. I don't know if they have eyelashes, but there's also like a social media part of the thing, like on the far left side, I believe, where it's like you can post pictures, whatever, communicate with each other, and it's like from what I went through, it's like super loving community, like Instagram, but just for Hush. And it's so beautiful. People posting their makeup looks with their products, stuff like that, so you can see people's reviews on the products like right through the app before you buy it. I think it's super dope, super easy to work and everything like that. And I'm pretty sure they offer like free shipping and stuff. I'm sorry, I don't have a discount code or like that. If I can get one, then I'm gonna let y'all know at some point. But right now I ain't got no discount code. I'm real sorry about that, but you know what I'm saying? It's $10, so it's cheap anyway, so just go ahead and buy it, because you know it's like $10 anyway, so just go ahead and buy it. Well, wait to the end so I tell you you should buy it or not, because we're gonna see about it. But this is the way the packaging comes in. This is the way that like it comes packaged. It comes in this beautiful pink box that says Hush on it. I don't know if everybody, I'm pretty sure everybody gets a box. And it comes also in a bubble wrap packaging, so it's super safe during shipping. It comes in a unicorn box, which I think these are super cute and everything like that. The packaging just on a box is super dope. You see like the holographic metal or something on there. I don't know what it's called, but it got this little thing, the shifty color, whatever. It looked real cute. That sounds country. It looked real cute, but it's really cute. And it says on here like that it's cruelty free, has like the Instagram and stuff like that, Bad Habit Beauty, made in Los Angeles and everything like that. So it's not over there in China. You ain't gotta worry about nothing like that, which is really interesting because it's so cheap. Cruelty free product. Like the packaging, I hate these boxes though because I got little nails and fingers. I have to open these with forks. Like all my boxes, I have to open with forks. I'm just be real with y'all. I use a fork to open these because I have nuts. So the box can go. Hello. But it's super great for traveling, packaging, stuff like that. It's super luxe. If you got fingernails, you're cute. You good, sis. You good. I just think I got nubs. That sounds so weird. I got nubs, but I do. This is the palette right here. This is the Retro Love palette, which looks like something from real familiar. She look real familiar, okay? Okay. You know, okay? Excuse the little beeping thing. My thing is just went out like a couple days ago. Whatever, I ain't replaced it yet. I know I should, but just excuse the little beep you hear every now and then. And my body, like, just excuse me, y'all. I'm so sorry. I'm just a mess. But this palette is real cute, though. This is the Retro Love palette. It comes with a mirror, and all these palettes, from what I went through and looked at, they all have like the information on the back, the cruelty-free thing, where it's made at. The mirror, which is like actually like a nice mirror attached to it. You can see there, and it has like the magnetic closing, so it stays closed, and you can travel with this. Super nice. This is the size of the palette. It's about a good, like, what, 8 to 10 inches or something. I'm not gonna take it there, you guys. I'm not gonna do it because I know some kids watch me, but it's like 8 to 10 inches. I really gotta stop. I'm sorry. Parents, I'm so sorry. So here's another palette. This is the Inferno palette. Super, super pretty. Here's these shades. This is like a natural girl's dream. Every natural girl in the world, this is your dream. Summertime, super warm palette. Looks real familiar too. She looks real familiar, but it's okay though. Super, super cute palette. Super, like, this is like... This is what you take on vacation. This is all you need. Some little brown shadow on the crease, a little orange, a little color, whatever, a little wash of color on your lid, and a little sparkle on your, hello. Let me swatch one of these. I'm not gonna swatch it yet. I'm gonna swatch one of these, I'm not gonna swatch that one because it's just, I don't want to touch it because it's so cute.
To be honest with you, that's really why I never wanted to, because it looks too cute.
Here we have the Aura palette. This palette is super pretty, super full of bright colors, look a little familiar as well. Yep, but super, super cute palette nonetheless. Comes with a mirror as well. Super dope, like, nice luxe packaging. Then we have the Aphrodite palette here, which she just... Aphrodite looks so pretty. $10. I think this one might be $12, but $10. I want to take Aphrodite with me to Mykonos whenever I go to Mykonos, whenever I get my passport for one. But whenever I go to Mykonos on my dream vacation, I make my Mykonos, man, I'm going to have this palette on my eyes. He going to fall in love with me, sis, okay? This palette is beautiful. I love these colors. The pinks, the peaches, the browns, the oranges, the shimmers, the multicolors, the black for smoke. Like, I live for this. It's cute. The mirror's cute. I look cute. I look snatched. Hello. I'm sorry, y'all. Aphrodite had me feeling myself for a minute there. You know what I mean? And this is the last eyeshadow palette that I have. This is the Athena palette, which I think might be my favorite one because this just looks like a makeup artist's dream. This is so universal, so diverse, has everything in there that you could work with to create like a simple, natural look or something a little bit different too. The different dimensions, the shifty colors and everything like that, the holographic shades, the mirror in this is bigger. Super, super nice for like $10 to $12. Like, you literally cannot beat this, and I love that about it. It's so, so pretty, so, so dope, so luxe. I live for it, okay? I live on it. I just live for it. So pretty. Then they also sent me two really pretty highlighter palettes. This is the Unicorn Glow palette. Y'all can't talk these phrases. They sent me a Unicorn Glow palette. These are the shades in here. Comes with a mirror as well, which I rarely see. For my highlighter palette, I just really want to discuss something with Hush real quick though before I continue. Like, Hush, what's good? Like, what's tea? Like, how? There's big brands out there who come out with like $60 palettes that don't have a mirror. $80 palettes that don't have a mirror. Just a few shades for $80 don't have a mirror. And the packaging feels cheap. How y'all do it for $10 to $12? I think it's like $10. Dual chrome highlighter metallicness. This is everything. The pan size is big. Ain't got a mirror. Like, come on. The Mermaid Glow palette. Like, we already know she's finna be cute before I even open it. You see the packaging, sis? Like, come on. A mirror too, and the highlighter shades are just beautiful. So I think I'm gonna swatch this. Let me swatch a few of these to see what they look like. Ooh, Enamored is calling my name. I'm gonna go into the shade Enamored. I'm just gonna take it here. Y'all see this, right? The audience. I ain't got no audience out here. I really don't got no audience. Anybody in here but me and my dog. But do y'all see this? Enamored. Let's go to Entranced. My arms are hairy, so I messed up the swatching, but these are beautiful. It's real cute. So these highlighter shades are so pretty already off bat. Just those 3 swatches, I'm in love. I can tell that the highlighters are very pigmented, super, super opaque, not too powdery, and they blend out super nicely and have some, they got some shine to them. They're beautiful, okay? All right, so guys, I went ahead and swatched the Aura palette for you guys because it was just calling my name to be swatched. Like I really want to see what these colors gonna come through for this melanin skin. But oh my god, I think it speaks for itself that these colors really do. I know these are the ugliest swatches on earth. They are not the cutest swatches on earth, okay? But that's just my fault, okay? That is my fault, okay? And I'm very hairy. I am a man, okay? I'm very hairy and I can't shave my arms when I have sensitive skin, okay? But don't mind that. Look at the swatches, the color, the opacity. These swatches are beautiful. The colors are amazing. I will say like this shade right here. What shade is this? The shade Haze. It's pulling a little bit of light for me. I did have to go into it a few times just to get it that color. So the shade Haze was not my favorite. And then the second to last shimmer, the shade Radiate. The shade Radiate wasn't too opaque for as far as it being a shimmer, because you can see towards the top of my hand, like over here on this side, the shimmers look incredible. They're so opaque, so shiny, so beautiful, and coming out so nice and radiant. Hopefully like different angles, whatever, you can see it better. But overall, I think this palette is pulling really, really nicely. This shade right here is calling my name. So I honestly didn't plan on going into this palette at all, but after doing like the swatches and everything like that, I really want to dive into this and see. The palette I was going to go into was the Athena palette because I love this shade right here. Like this one shade right here is calling my name. Let me go ahead and swatch it. Epic, the shade Epic. Do you see this? The shade Epic from the Athena palette looks so gorgeous. So, but I think I'm going to go in with the Aura palette and just, yeah. So I'm not really sure what look I want to do. But I think first off, I'm going to grab the shade Mystique from the palette and go into my crease. Alright, so there is a lot of kickback whenever I do dig into the palette, like, but not too much, but there is some. Okay, pigment. I see you. Come through opacity. Okay. I know, okay, y'all can literally see the color payoff for that orange color. It's really nice. Not too hard to blend out. It's definitely depositing some color into my crease. And I'm using the tail end of my brush, like holding the tail end of my brush so that, you know, it blends out really nice and effortlessly whenever. And taking that color all the way up to my brow bone. So as you can see, that shade looks super opaque and pretty, and I didn't have to dip in like 10,000 times. Now I'm gonna go in my Morphe E17 brush and pick up the brown shade Vibe and try to pack that into my corner and build up this crease area, outer crease situation. I don't know why some brands come out with palettes and they don't put like a brown shade in there, like a brown, like a crease color for darker skin, because them little light browns we put in there ain't nothing but a lid shade for me to make my eye look bright. Not add no depth or nothing like that, because we want depth, okay? I like my crease colors like I like my men with some depth, okay? The shade Vibe is doing really nicely. I really live for it right now. It's doing really cute. But I think I'm gonna go with the black shade Immortal just to deepen it up even more, since I'm gonna add like a dark blue to this look or something like that. It's so gorgeous. Oh my God. That's black, honey. $10. A little $10 for this. Y'all see this black? The opacity, the blendability, the possibilities with these. Yes, they don't rhyme. I'm not a rapper, so let me stop. Okay, so now I'm super excited to top this look off with the shade Ecstasy, which, like, when I swatched that shade, look, it took me to some places. It gave me Danity Kane. Ecstasy. Oh. extra. I'm real extra, I know for that, but I'm sorry. It's so pretty. So pretty. So right now I'm just taking the shade Ethereal with the fluffy brush and putting that right into like the inner brow bone area and like crease to just give some shimmer to my crease in this area right here. It's a lighter color. And I just like love like the way it looks just so high fashion. I think it just looks really, really dope. But I want to go back and intensify the shade Ecstasy too, to make sure she gets her moment as well. So now I'm just doing everything I did on the top, on the bottom. I'm taking the shade Ecstasy and smoking out my lower lash line with that shade. The metallic colors are just, they speak for themselves, to be honest with you. I just want to highlight the brow bone with the shade Manifest real quick. So to finish off this eye look, I'm going to try to go in with the shade Energy and see if she can make some twerk for me real quick. Whatever gives me, give me some energy, sis. Like, I need you to come through, okay? Okay, not bad at all. For a matte shade, when I wet my brush a little bit, which is surprising, it's coming out really, really pretty. Look at Energy trying to get extra credit. I don't know if y'all can see if it's putting on camera. I'm having to, like, I'm going in and packing in a color, but Energy is coming through. Look, she said you just held me too long. I'm up now. I got some energy in me. So just to go along with the whole theme of this look or whatever, I'm gonna go with the Mermaid palette and the shade Entranced and see what she can do for me. I know y'all see that, right? I know y'all see that. I mean, to be honest with you, I'm kind of living my best life for this purple highlight though. So to keep this look more wearable in a way, I'm gonna I took the shade Radiate from the eyeshadow palette and I'm adding that to my cheeks with my highlight. And I think I'm also gonna take, I didn't blush yet. So I didn't really blush too much yet, but I think I'm gonna take the shade Awakening from the eyeshadow palette and use that really quick as a blush. This is a really, really pretty peachy shade. Bring some warmth into my cheeks. That is so pretty, oh my God. Okay guys, so I'm back and this is the completed look. This is the entire eye look right here with the eyeshadow palette, the Aura palette, and I highlighted with the Mermaid Glow palette on my chest, so you can see some of that green reflex in there and everything like that. It looks super, super dope, so pretty. I live for this look. It's so, so dope. I'm living my best mermaid festival fantasy or whatever. $10, $10. It's so, so nice. So I definitely suggest you guys check out the Hush app. And I want to say thank you so much to Hush for reaching out to me. Little old me, it makes me feel super, super great. I love all the products. I can't wait to dive into the other palettes. I'll be tagging everything on Instagram. I'm pretty sure Hush, I know they have an Instagram, duh. But I'm gonna tag everything like that on my Instagram so you can check out this look after I face tune it to the quads or whatever. But this is it, you guys. I think this look looks pretty banging. I feel super cute. This zit here. She's not gonna take my moment. The zit will not take my moment at all. I'm super, super excited. I hope I do more partnerships and sponsorships and stuff like that in the future. I hope Hush wants to work with me more in the future because I do love their products. I think that everything about them is pretty, pretty dope. You can get, instead of paying like $65, $80, $100 or more for a palette, you can get it for like $10 to $12, super, super discounted price, and it's actually really good quality. The packaging, I don't know about the shipping. I've heard of people say the shipping is pretty, pretty quick. When they sent it to me from an email thing, it didn't take too long to get the package at all. Came super nicely. The people that they work with are super, super nice and friendly. I like the social media community they have on the app, so I do definitely suggest check the app out. I try to have everything linked down below in the description box, so please, please check that out. And I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Don't forget to go to my Instagram and give this look some likes and stuff like that, you know, because I'm probably gonna, you know, just give it some likes and some love, sis, okay? So other than me being a mess, this video is pretty much over, you guys. Don't forget to like my picture on Instagram, subscribe to my channel on here, get this video a big thumbs up so we can grow more, and that helps me out so, 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 so much. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.